common mistakes to avoid in the PSLE. We have begun our final countdown to the PSLE math paper, which will take place on the 1st of October. I believe all these videos will be very useful as a form of revision before your exam. The videos will highlight the areas that students commonly make mistakes in so that you can watch out for them in your exam and avoid them as much as possible. I will be listing out the common mistakes for each topic. Without further ado, let's take a look at the first common mistake that students make for this fraction question. After reading the question, let's find out what the key sentence is. Now, the key sentence for this question is, on Tuesday, he baked only chocolate cupcakes. Now, since Baker Kale only baked chocolate cupcakes, the cheese cupcakes will remain the same. So the strategy to solve for this question is, one side remains the same. So now we'll need to draw out the table to fill in the ratios. Okay, we have our before ratio, which happens on Monday, is referring to Monday. And then we need to write down the ratio for chocolate cupcakes to cheese cupcakes. Now here comes the part that you might make mistake in. 1/5 of them are chocolate cupcakes while the rest were cheese cupcakes. Now, what does this 1 unit and the 5 units refer to? Now, without thinking, some of you might say that, okay, the chocolate to cheese cupcake is 1:5 because you are given 1 out of 5. But no, let's think about it carefully. Now, remember in class, I've always emphasized the need for you to draw your arrows so you know what does the numerator refer to and what does the denominator refer to. Okay, so we're going to do the same over here. Let's box up the keyword of and the keyword were. And so from here, we can know that the 1 unit is referring to the chocolate cupcake. So this is correct. But the 5 units here is referring to them, and the them here is referring to the total number of cupcakes. So 5 units is not the cheese cupcakes. The cheese cupcakes, the units, number of units for the cheese cupcake is 5 minus 1, which is 4 units. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing for the after ratio. So for the after ratio, they are talking about Monday and Tuesday. It says that 2/5 of all the cupcakes baked on Monday and Tuesday were chocolate cupcakes. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to box up the keywords of and were. So that will tell us that the 2 units here is referring to the chocolate cupcakes. We can fill that in. And the 5 units is referring to all the cupcakes baked on Monday and Tuesday. So cheese will be 5 minus 2, which is 3 units. Now that you have this correct ratio, you can go ahead and make the cheese the same because that was what we discussed. This is your one side remains the same. So bear in mind that in the exam, please make sure you read the question carefully. Write down the arrows to see what the numerator and the denominator is referring to so that you will not make any careless mistakes in the ratios.